desperately need this today. I am dragging my butt so bad. I had personal training yesterday and my trainer ruined me. I go with my dad every single week. It's like a bonding thing. And we were both huffing and puffing and soaked in sweat. Today walking will be hard. This has been the coldest month of May on record in Canada. Well, in Ontario at least. When I tell you that I'm craving sunshine, Lord, I am craving sunshine. Yesterday I went to Once Upon a Child and I got Blake the cutest zip up. It's like this really light minty green with a cute little happy face, super soft on the inside, really cute. It was like $6. Whoopsies. It was like $6. And then I got her this little H&M stretchy tank top. This was $2. And then I got her these like army leggings. They were $3. So I scored big time. I also got Olivia. She loves K-pop Demon Hunters. So at first I saw this like pink sweater with like these little sparkly lyrics, like music notes, and I was like, oh, that's cute. And then I turned it around and it says Huntrix, and I was like, okay, I have to get this for her. And I believe this was like $8. Like everything was so cheap and you cannot tell at all that it's been worn. I also got Olivia this ACX little activewear tank top for the summer, and I got Blake this Rolling Stones t-shirt from H&M. Also got Liv this like gray tank top. This is Streetwear Society, so I thought she could wear this underneath her sweater. I did really well. And let me show you what else I got for her. I got this like set. It's from Joe Fresh Active. So it comes with this little tank top and it has the matching leggings, and that was $10. So I did really well. I didn't get Reese anything because the girl has more clothes than I know what to do with. Like, she has so many clothes from her sisters as hand-me-downs that she probably has things that she'll never wear this summer or in the fall. She just has like so much. But I love this sweater on her, little Peanuts Snoopy one. So I think I'm gonna put that on her today. And some pants, and then we need to go because I'm already running late. I just dropped the girls at school. It is disgusting out. It's raining and it says it feels like a high of 2. It feels like 2. It's May 14th and it feels like 2, which is weird because in 2 days, like this weekend's supposed to be in the 20s, which is really warm. So who knows? And let me know in the comments if you guys have kids towards the end of school. Like our girls go in Ontario, they go to school till the end of June and they don't go back to school till September, the first week of September. So they have July, August, all of July, all of August off. But I find with all 3 of them, before, as it gets close to the end of school, like they only have like, what, 6 weeks left, they just have meltdowns in the morning. Not so much the older 2, but Reese. And Reese's friend was crying this morning too. And me and her friend's mom were like, I think they're just like done. Like they're just worn out from school. So I am so looking forward to summer and cannot wait till they're home all the time with me. Having said that, Blake was picking on her sisters today and just fighting, and it drove me nuts. So, you know. Mom life. I apologize for the lighting. It's so overcast outside, but when I have the lights on, it looks really yellow and I don't like it. But anyways, I let myself sit. I drank my first 36 ounces of water and I can't sit anymore. I need to clean up my house. Tomorrow we are going to the cottage after we get the kids from school. So I want to pack today because in the day tomorrow I have to film a brand video. My mom and I are gonna go shopping, so I just don't wanna have too much to do. So I'm going to clean the house and get as much done as humanly possible, even though my body is so sore and I don't feel like doing anything. But we're gonna start with the living room and get some laundry done, clean up, maybe do some baking, and yeah, you know the drill, so let's go.
And now we sway, we just sway. And now we sway, we just sway. Don't stop now, we're like the river in the sky. Fly high, don't think we're ever coming down. So let's live it up, pick it up, just call me up. Say anything and I'm down. We're just like a fire.
We're on their last leg. So I'm actually going to toss these two, wash this, and I've got the oven going. I'm going to make some banana bread because we've got some very, very overripe bananas that I want to use up.
You're right next to me. Take the records to the seat and close your eyes and just play. And now we sway, we just sway. And now we sway, we just sway. Levitating with you, anything can happen. What you think we should do? Let's not begin. We're just flying high, we're not coming down. Come right up next to me, stepping side to side. I wanna sway. Yeah, we can dance the night away, right? Want to dance in the rain, yeah. I'm dripping on a feeling that ain't going away. I need you right next to me. Take the records to the ceiling, close your eyes and just play. And now we sway, we just sway. And now we sway, and we just sway. I get the feeling it's a good night. It's so bright, the city's shining from the street lights. So let's live it up, pick it up, just call me up. Say anything and I'm down. We're just like a fire, and we'll just pick it up, live it up, don't wanna stop. We'll keep it going all night. Go down. 'Cause I want to dance in the rain, yeah. I'm tripping on a feeling that ain't going away. I need you right next to me. Take the records to the ceiling, close your eyes and just play. And now we sway, we just sway. And now we sway, we just sway. Don't stop now, we're like the river in the sky. Fly high, don't think we're ever coming down. So let's live it up, pick it up, just call me up. Say anything and I'm down. We're just like a fire, and we'll just pick it up, live it up, don't wanna stop. We'll keep it going all night. Go down. 'Cause I want to dance in the rain, yeah. I'm dripping on a feeling that ain't going away. I need you right next to me. Take the records to the ceiling, close your eyes and just play. And now we sway, we just sway. And now we sway.
Okay, so I packed everybody's clothes, but I'm obviously not going to do the toiletries yet because we need them tonight and tomorrow morning because we're not leaving till tomorrow, like evening, afternoon-ish. But I really want to just do a quick clean in the bathroom because it's been a while since I've washed the tub in the shower. I'm running out of steam. I don't feel like doing it, but it's the literally between this and laundry, it's like the last thing on my list. Obviously I have to make dinner after I get the kids, but I'm just gonna do a super quick clean in the bathroom. That way when we come home, it's all clean and nice. So let's go. I got the bathroom cleaned as you saw, and I'm like out of breath from scrubbing. I am just gonna switch the laundry, put a new load in, and then I'm gonna take Bobby for a walk. Because I was gonna walk on the treadmill for an hour, and then I'm like, my dog needs a walk. It's better for me to get fresh air and go on the trail. There's lots of people on the trail, more so in nice weather, but I bring Collins, he has a bunch of Leathermans, they're like pocket knives, so I'll just bring a knife with me, just for safety purposes. God forbid I need it, because I don't know how much she would protect me. I don't know, she's actually pretty protective, but anyways, so we're gonna do that. And I gotta charge my camera because it's gonna die, so I'm just gonna quickly switch this, and I'll see you after for dinner. Okay, I'm back. I'm like out of breath. That took 40 minutes. I didn't wear my watch, so I don't know how many kilometers. I think it was like 5 kilometers. But it took me 40 minutes, but I was going at a brisk pace, so it might have even been like 6 kilometers. But anyways, it was 40 minutes. I'm freezing now, but it felt so good to get outside. So I'm just gonna have some water, and then I'm gonna make some lunch. It's a late lunch because it's already 1:20. But I'm gonna do that, and then I have some Amazon packages I wanted to show you guys. The girls are having a dress-up day school-wide tomorrow, and yesterday Blake said she wanted to be a minion, so yesterday I went to the secondhand store and I got her jean overalls and a yellow shirt, and I got her, I know they're not goggles, but they're these black glasses, so I thought it would look kind of cute. And then Olivia wants to be a cheerleader, so we already have kind of like a skirt she can wear, and then I bought these like felt iron-on letters, so I can say cheer or cheerleader across her shirt. And then Reese was the easiest. She wants to be Belle, which she has the costume in her room, so that's easy. Turn up the heat because I'm so cold. It's not even funny, but I have to go get the kids now and crank the heat because it's just cold. It's just cold. I'm not happy about it. Okay, I'm back from getting the kids from school, and I'm gonna make $1 million spaghetti. So Colin is not a big spaghetti pasta person, but the last time I made this, he begged me to make it every single week. It's that good. So we're gonna make it. I'll show you how. And yeah, it's super easy and delicious and healthy. I am gonna do, if I had rice pasta in spaghetti form, I would do this for the kids. Yeah, babe. For me, I'm gonna do rice pasta on the side. So yeah, but first thing you wanna do is get a pan, cook up some onion and your beef. So that's what we're gonna do.
Slideshow.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Good for you, that's awesome.
all of it, all of the outside.
I think.
I mean, a bird is seen.
No, it's not dead.
Oh, yeah, it's white.
I'm gonna dump some marinara in with the ground.
Do you like butter by itself? Oh my goodness.
Guys, stay one extra night, but